Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. I want to do a quick rundown on tickers that I think are worth watching for a potential short-term swing trade. So, first one, ticker CYPE. If you are looking right here, you can see that it breaks that upper band on this indicator. These are the Bollinger Bands, and basically what I am wanting to see over a short-term swing trade is, something like this. Obviously this candlestick is nowhere near as bullish as this one, but possibly what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow is this next candlestick, depending on how it starts out. If it starts having a bullish run, making a quick, maybe one-day swing trade out of this. Now, if it starts off tomorrow consolidating or downtrending, like right here, basically I'll ride it out until it kind of breaks about midways, and then I'll buy and ride it back up. So the volatility is definitely there. I would honestly expect it to be more like this one. If you look at this volume bar right here and look at the volume bar over here, you can see the next day this one ran up pretty good. So like I said, I like to have like a one-day swing trade out of this. Depends on how it moves tomorrow. I may just do a day trade out of it. So it all just depends. In no way am I telling you to buy this, but keep an eye on this. So the next ticker, PURA, same thing, breaks this upper band on the Bollinger Bands, and I like to see it to start moving something like this. So keep this one on your watch list. Next ticker, SGSI. You can see right here it traded thin, and then right here it broke this upper Bollinger Band. So let's see how this one plays out over the next couple days. Hopefully it has a good run and we'll handle it accordingly. So it'd be nice if it was something like this and had a good spike up to here to be able to take like 50%. And my wild card, ticker COHO. You can see back here where it had this strong run, and whoever was swing trading this, from these points, made killer money. And right here, it downtrended and it started to consolidate right here. Now, the reason why this is my wild card is because this candlestick right here, you can see that it actually did close out above this EMA line. So also, before I get into this, also right here on the MACD, you can see this candlestick thinning out. Now, is this actually saying that it's reversing? No, not yet. But this, for me, this might be worth taking a chance. This is way more aggressive than how I really trade. But if anything, I'm only gonna drop 1,000 in this share, or not share, in the stock to swing trade it, and I would like to see it go up to right there. So if it went up to right there, that's 24%. That's 0.001 to sell, and right now it is at 0.008. So if I was able to take 24%, off of a $1,000 trade, that would be $240 and would be completely worth that risk. So that is just a quick rundown on 4 different stocks that I see potential in the future. In no way, again, am I saying to put any money into this, but I feel like they're worth keeping an eye on. So I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one.